video, I'm going to show you how to make selections with the magic wand tool. So it's over here in this toolbar. Before we were using the quick selection tool, like if you press W, it will highlight this area on your toolbar. We had it on quick selection on our last exercise, so just click and hold to open up the box with all the other tools and choose magic wand tool. So what the magic wand tool, it selects similar colored image areas. So like all these shapes are the similar color, so you can easily select them. So make sure up here in tolerance, just go ahead and put that on 50. It should be defaulted at that, but make it 50 if it's not for now. You might have to change that doing other things, but for this assignment 50 will work. All right, so all you have to do is click in an area that has a similar color and it will select all of it. So to show that you selected these and know how to use it, I'm just going to ask you to fill each one with a different color. Now to select more than one thing at a time, hold the shift key. So I'm going to shift key and let's click on the square and the rectangle and fill them with the color. So go edit, fill, and then over here where it says contents, just put it on color. And when you do that, this box opens and it lets you choose a color. So you can find a color by sliding this around, pick whatever color you want and say OK. All right, now I want to select these two ellipses. So I'm going to click on this one and then I'm going to hold the shift key to get both of them and then go to edit, fill, click on color again and then choose another color, say OK. And then down here, we're going to use the select tool to get all these shapes that you drew with the lasso tools. So I have all three. You hold shift key to click on each one and then go edit, fill, click on color, choose a color, say OK. And that's how you use the magic wand tool.